The mathematical elegance of digital roots, an axiomatic approach. In the realm of mathematics, particularly in number theory, there exists a fascinating property known as the digital root, which offers profound insights into the structure of numbers through a simple yet elegant operation. This essay aims to explore the concept of digital roots, focusing on its invariance under cumulative operations through an axiomatic lens, thereby unveiling the mathematical beauty and utility of this property. Defining the digital root. The digital root of a number is the single-digit value obtained by iteratively summing its digits until a single digit remains. For instance, the digital root of 123 is calculated as follows. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. This operation, while simple, reveals deep connections to modular arithmetic, specifically modulo 9, where the digital root of any number, n, is essentially near mode 9, except for multiples of 9 which reduce to 9 itself. Axiomatic framework. To understand the digital root's properties more formally, we can establish a set of axioms. Base case, the digital root of 0 is 0, providing a starting point for our operations. Additive property. This axiom states that the digital root of the sum of two numbers is the same as the digital root of the sum of their digital roots. Mathematically, for any integers a and b, dra plus b equals sign dra plus drb. Modulo 9 equivalence. Every number is congruent to its digital root modulo 9, linking digital roots directly to modular arithmetic. Single-digit reduction. This axiom allows for the iterative process of summing digits until a single digit is achieved. Invariance under repeated addition. This extends the additive property to any sequence of numbers, ensuring that the digital root of a sum remains invariant regardless of whether we find the digital root at each step or at the end. Theorems and proofs. From these axioms, we derive theorems that highlight the digital root's consistency under operations. Theorem of invariance under addition. This theorem, derived directly from our axioms, proves that the digital root of a sum can be found by summing the digital roots of the summers first. This property is not just mathematically elegant, but also computationally efficient, simplifying calculations in certain contexts. Generalization to multiple additions. Through mathematical induction, we prove that this invariance extends to any finite set of additions, demonstrating the robustness of the digital root concept. Invariance under multiplication. Although not initially part of our axioms, we can infer that the digital root of a product is the same as the product of the digital roots of the factors, modulo 9. This property, while less intuitive than addition, underscores the deep connection between digital roots and modular arithmetic. Philosophical and practical implications. The digital root's properties offer more than just mathematical curiosity. They have practical applications and philosophical implications. Practical applications, error checking. In fields like computer science, digital roots can be used for checksums or error detection in data transmission. Simplification of calculations. For quick mental arithmetic or in educational settings, understanding digital roots can simplify complex calculations. Philosophical insights, order in complexity. The digital root concept reveals an underlying order within the apparent complexity of numbers, suggesting that beneath the surface of randomness, there are patterns waiting to be discovered. Reductionism. It exemplifies a form of reductionism in mathematics, where complex entities can be reduced to simpler forms without losing essential properties, echoing themes in philosophy and science about the nature of simplicity and complexity. Conclusion. The study of digital roots through an axiomatic approach not only deepens our appreciation for the structure of numbers, but also bridges the gap between abstract mathematical concepts and real-world applications. This exploration into the invariance of digital roots under cumulative operations showcases how mathematics can uncover hidden symmetries and patterns in seemingly disparate elements, providing both practical tools and profound insights into the nature of numbers. This essay, therefore, not only serves as an academic exercise, but also as an invitation to ponder the elegance and the interconnectedness of mathematical truths, reminding us of the beauty inherent in the simplest of numerical operations. Numbers possess a hidden language, a secret code that whispers tales of patterns, relationships, and infinite possibilities. Within this numerical realm, we encounter a fascinating concept known as digital roots, a mathematical tool that unveils intriguing properties and unlocks hidden connections. Like a master key, digital roots provide a unique lens through which we can explore the beauty and elegance of numbers. Imagine a world where complex calculations could be simplified, where patterns emerge from seemingly random sequences, and where the secrets of divisibility are revealed through a simple mathematical operation. This is the world that digital roots invite us to explore. Join us on this captivating journey as we delve into the captivating world of digital roots, uncovering their secrets, exploring their applications, and marveling at their ability to illuminate the hidden beauty of mathematics. At its core, a digital root represents the essence of a number, distilled to its simplest form. It is a single-digit value obtained by repeatedly summing the digits of a number until a single digit remains. Imagine taking a large number, like 785, and breaking it down into its constituent digits, 7, 8, and 5. Adding these digits together, we get 20. Since 20 is not a single-digit number, we repeat the process. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Thus, the digital root of 785 is 2. This process of reduction, of boiling down a complex number to its fundamental essence, is at the heart of digital roots. It highlights a fundamental principle in mathematics. Even amidst the vastness of numbers, there exists an underlying order, a simplicity that can be uncovered through exploration and analysis. Digital roots, therefore, are not merely a mathematical curiosity. They are a testament to the elegance and order that permeate the numerical world. They provide a unique lens through which we can explore the interconnectedness of numbers and uncover hidden patterns that would otherwise remain obscured. To truly grasp the power and elegance of digital roots, we must delve into the axiomatic framework that underpins them. Axioms in mathematics are fundamental truths, self-evident principles upon which entire systems of logic are built. They form the bedrock of mathematical reasoning, providing a solid foundation upon which complex theorems and proofs can be constructed. In the realm of digital roots, the axiomatic framework is surprisingly simple, yet remarkably powerful. It hinges on the concept of congruence modulo 9, a mathematical relationship that essentially states that two numbers are congruent modulo 9 if they have the same remainder when divided by 9. This seemingly straightforward relationship forms the cornerstone of digital root theory, enabling us to derive a multitude of fascinating properties and applications. By establishing this axiomatic framework, we create a rigorous and consistent system for understanding and manipulating digital roots. It allows us to move beyond simple observations and delve into the realm of mathematical proof, where we can demonstrate the validity and universality of digital root properties. With our axiomatic framework in place, we can now embark on a journey of mathematical exploration, uncovering the remarkable consistency and predictability of digital roots through theorems and proofs. Theorems, in essence, are mathematical statements that have been rigorously proven to be true based on established axioms and logical deductions. They represent the culmination of mathematical reasoning, providing irrefutable evidence for the properties and relationships we observe. One fundamental theorem in digital root theory states that the digital root of the sum of two numbers is congruent modulo 9 to the sum of the digital roots of the individual numbers. In simpler terms, if we add two numbers and find the digital root of the sum, it will be the same as finding the digital roots of the individual numbers, adding those digital roots, and then finding the digital root of that sum. This theorem highlights the remarkable consistency of digital roots across addition, demonstrating that they maintain their properties even when combined with other numbers. Proofs, on the other hand, are the logical arguments that substantiate the validity of theorems. They provide the necessary rigor and certainty to elevate observations to the level of mathematical truth. Through carefully constructed logical deductions, proofs demonstrate the unwavering consistency of mathematical principles. ensuring that our understanding of digital roots is built on a solid foundation of reason and logic.